Hi.
Hi, are you Eve?
Yes, I am. You must be Adam.
That's right, it's so nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You look great today.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Good evening, welcome.
Thank you.
Good evening, here are your menus.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I'll give you a few minutes. Everything looks delicious.
I know, it's hard to choose.
Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Then we're both trying something new.
That's true.
I like trying new restaurants,
Me too. It's always fun.
especially when the company is good.
I'm happy to hear that.
So, how was your day?
It was busy, but good.
Busy at work?
Yes, I had several meetings.
That sounds tiring.
A little, but I'm glad the day is over.
Mine was busy too.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Really? That's wonderful.
I enjoy helping people learn.
That must be rewarding.
It is. Every day is different.
I work as a software engineer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like solving problems and building new things.
That sounds interesting.
Are you ready to order drinks? Yes, please. What would you like?
Just water with lemon, please.
I'll have the same. So, tell me something about yourself that most people don't know.
I love painting.
Really?
Yes, I paint on weekends.